Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unlearn and Learn. You will find programming concepts, data structures, algorithms and fun stuff, programming, coding, everything will be coming soon. Stay tuned and do watch. Let's get started on another video on Golang. So in this video we will learn about channel. In accordance with goroutine, we have channel, that is a medium through which a goroutine can communicate. That means goroutines can communicate with each other. Like maps, channels are allocated with make keyword, and the resulting value acts as a reference to underlying data structure. And if optional integer parameter is provided, it sets the buffer size for the channel. The default is 0 for unbuffered channel or synchronous channel. So we can declare channel with size 0 by default. See about that now. Coding here, we will declare one channel here, ch equals to make channel of type int, and its default size is 0. Optionally we can give here 2, 1, whatever it is. So now we will just make use of this channel to communicate between two routines, as we have discussed, and know that main is also running on a goroutine. So we will declare another function which will run on different goroutine, which accepts a channel of type int and write to that channel. So we'll just say fmt dot printer and writing to the channel is done, and then we will pass this channel to this, and then we will just read whatever is written in the channel. So this is a way to read that, and we will say fmt.println reading from channel is done. Now just run this, go run main. So we have declared one channel using make keyword and use that channel to communicate between two coroutines. Until this is written, this cannot be executed. That means it is waiting for this goroutine to write something to this channel, and once it is written, it will read that, and the control goes here and says reading from channel is done. So basically first we wrote to the channel and then we read from the channel. So this is how channel works. So as we have seen that this is running on a different goroutine and main is running on a different goroutine. So both of them have communicated using and synchronized using this channel. So we'll see another example of this same. In this example, we will see that how to use select keyword. So now we will declare some channels here, ch0 equals to make chan of type string, and similarly we will declare another channel of type this one. So just write the same code that is there. I will write that same code. Now we have two different goroutines writing to two different channels here. So now we will just read from that using for and select. As we are using two different channels, we are initializing I to 0 till it will run to 1, and it will run twice, and we'll use select. So this is a new syntax for we select cases, and we'll just say message 1 from channel 0. We'll read this. This is the syntax,
of reading it, and we'll say that we read from channel 0 is complete, and then we will just print whatever is written by that. Similarly, we will check whatever is written in the channel so 0 and channel 1, and then we have message to here. So similarly we will do this. That case is not required. So now we will do run this code. Let's do one here. So we can see the output here. Read from channel 1 is completed and read from channel 0 is completed. We have written 0 to both of them. So, and we are reading from 0 and channel 1. So that's how we write the code for this, and we will read from that and using the select. So it guarantees that it executes it, and we have seen that. So we will see next example now, and that is of incrementing something. We'll use make use of channel to avoid the race condition that is there. So let's write the code for it. We will declare one variable x of type int, and then we will use a weight group here, sync dot weight group, and then make chain of type int. We can do this, and then just go increment. Will pass weight group and channel to it, and we will say weight group dot weight, and we will do this for I equal to 0, I is less than 1000, and I plus plus. So we are calling this different coroutines 1000 times. We can declare the function increment, so it will accept a weight group dot weight group, and then it will accept a channel chain of type int, and we will do increment the x. It is declared in global scope, so we can do that. So now I have written done here, so we'll just add weight group dot weight here, and once it is done incrementing, we will just read whatever is being written from this channel. So we'll write something to channel now before reading from it, and just write something like that, and then we will read from the channel. So this is the syntax for reading it, and we will say fmt.println incrementing is. So similarly, we have declared one weight group and channel. So once the incrementing the x is done, we will write something to channel, and similarly we will say weight group dot done, so that it will get the desired output for us. So we will not read when they are writing. Yeah, so now incrementing is done. Value of x is 1000. So we incremented x till the value of 1000 and then we exit from there. So if we are not using channel, then what is the output? Can you guess what will be the output of this if we are not using channel? We'll see that. So we can see that it is giving 985. That means it did not wait. All the incrementations are not done. So that we are incrementing, but it did not wait. So we can use channels. The effective use of channels you understood by this example, right? So if we are using channel, then it will wait till each and every increment is done. Whatever the function is doing, we can do anything in this function. That's not the matter. So we see that if we are writing to a channel and we are reading from it, it is guaranteed that it will not execute this line. But we are reading before all the functions goroutines are executed. That's why 985 is printed. So that is that, and we will see one more example for that now. And so just do channel, and we can do a buffer channel using this. So offsides 2, and then we will just do write to the channel. We can write anything, so we'll just say hello, then we'll say channels, and now we can read from that. So we can read it from the channel twice, as we have written to channel twice, and then we can do one more time this, and we can execute this. So basically I'm declaring a buffered channel of size 2 and then writing to it two messages that of type string, and we can see that we have printed both the outputs. So these are some of the examples of that one, and we have seen one example of unbuffered channel. Similarly, we can see directional channels. There are directional channels. We can declare a channel of direction. So this is write only channel. So we can write to this channel, and this is read only channel. So we are just reading from it. These are the directional channels that are there. Function is there, and we'll pass this channel to that. We'll pass channel to that function, and we'll just say function f, and we have ch and channel of type string, but we need to say that this is a read only channel. Okay, so we can read from this channel like so, and we say that fmt dot println reading from channel is complete. So here we are declaring one directional channel. We can read from that channel, but we are not allowed to write on that channel. So we can execute. Yeah, so reading from channel is completed. That we have read from this channel in this function that is run on a coroutine. So I can do one more thing and do write to the channel. So this accepts a channel which is write only, and similarly we will just write to this channel some value that is writing. So we'll say writing to channel is complete. So we'll just execute this. Yeah, so we can see that writing to channel is complete. So this is the directional channels that is there. So I will put all the links needed for this series and the codes that are there. Please go through all the videos that are there, and thank you for watching these, and like and subscribe to the channel. I hope this is helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching.
Do like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.